I saw Rick Ross was out here at one of the world's largest boat show, and he decided to show his fans around. According to Rick Ross, he is looking for a yacht himself, checking out some of these iconic ones. Let's check it out.
Fort Lauderdale International Boat Show, right here, hosted by none other than the biggest boss. Right here behind me, you have the San Lorenzo. This motherfucker is special. As you can see, the helicopter sitting right on this, man. The helicopter right on. Asking price is only $34 million. Right here, San Lorenzo. Tune in. Of course, it comes with one bottle of Luke Belaire. You get one FaceTime from the biggest boss, Ricky Rose. Fort Lauderdale International Boat Show. As you can see, looking over my shoulder, you see helicopters, you see Ferraris, you see 6x6s, and of course, it's all hosted by the finest.
We're making a left up.
See? Ladies, I see the list that's circulating where you wouldn't want to go on the first date. Question. If I had a spot I wanted to take you to that was on the river, and this was a cruiser for the night, of course you know what we sipping. And let's say if it was Wingstop on the river. Wingstop on the river, ladies. Would you disagree with that vibe? You let me know. This is the Vanquish right here. This is a beautiful work of art.
Black Bottle Boy Rose.
Black Bottle Boys, better believe it. Much love. I'm sending a Luke Belaire toast to everybody around the world, but to me, when it comes to these vessels, this is art. This is like music to me. This is like champagne to me, bubbles to me. It's all art. But like I said, I'm looking for me some works of art. Y'all see what's going on. 70-footer. It's the Persian.
So this is an 11-step metallic paint job. Cost about $350,000. He's the greatest. You were at East Naval Point? I'm up there too. I've got the office in Sag Harbor. So like this boat. I've seen that.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, just let them know it's too big.
Yeah.
Yeah, I bring this.
Dude, what's good is
Yo, this is a nice master right here. I'm gonna keep it real. Yeah. I'll cruise all the way to Haiti.
I mean,
This has a refrigerator in here.
yeah.
Shit. Okay.
If you have stayed with me to this point of the video, consider subscribing, hit the like button and leave a comment below. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.